Hey, just in case you have problems with on the dock, you have a question mark on the app. Here's what you do. You just click and hold and drag this straight up and let go, and it disappears. And now Photoshop's not on the dock anymore. So what do? You come up to Creative Cloud right here, Creative Cloud. You click on it. Creative Cloud opens. Make sure you're in the Apps tab right here. Then you just come over to Photoshop and click Open. Boom. And it'll be verified. It'll show up over here. These are temporary items that aren't in the dock. Once it stops bouncing, you can drag this over to its normal position. So we'll go ahead and hold on to this. But for right now, if you have two versions of an app, this was hard to set up. If you have two versions of an app, come back over to Creative Cloud. Sorry about that. There we go. If you have two versions of an app, just launch the latest one. And in the future, we'll go ahead and click on this and uninstall that. But you'll need an admin password, I think, for that. I'm not sure. But for right now, just work with the latest versions, because when you launch these, oh, doggone it, I lost that what's new panel right there. It shows you what's new. So I can't reproduce this video, so as clumsy it is, it's going to have to stick. And again, you just come down, grab Photoshop, and drag it straight across and put it where you want it. And all right, so help one another today, and please be on your best behavior. The sub canceled at the last minute this morning. He not only canceled today, he canceled the next slot he had. I mean, really bad form. So that's an example of irresponsibility. You guys, be responsible today. Rise up, be more than you've been before. And I'll see you tomorrow for a Friday.